EagleDream is transforming the way companies use drone technology, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to process data. 5x5 Technologies partnered with EagleDream to build an intuitive web portal and 3D modeling tool to improve reliability and safety of cell towers. The custom-built 3D modeling tool enables 5x5 users to create, modify, and optimize cell tower drawings. EagleDream's infrastructure team built a serverless web application in the cloud using a combination of AWS tools. The UI/UX team designed a highly intuitive and consistent user interface. Some of the highlights of the solution include 5x5 can now render cell phone tower images 10 times faster, resulting in less time and people needed. The application is built for scale to one day leverage machine learning to detect issues such as rust and crack detection. EagleDream is helping 5x5 soar to new heights. With the success of the solution, 5x5 plans to bring this technology beyond cell towers, to buildings, bridges, power lines, and more. Dream, build, soar. Learn how you can build something visionary with EagleDream Technologies. View our latest customer success stories at www.eagledream.com/success.